Hello friends, let's learn how to make bread rolls, and they are very crispy to the last bite and is a good party snack, and you can make them small or big in size. Let's start with 1 inch ginger, 4 green chilies finely chopped, lots of coriander finely chopped, 1 big onion finely chopped. Then take 1 tablespoon dhania jeera powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala and 1 teaspoon garam masala. Boiled potatoes, I have taken 5 big size potatoes and boiled and mashed them. 5 slices of bread I have put in the mixie and made crumbs of it. Now we need to add all these dry ingredients into the mashed potatoes. You can alter the spice as you like. Mine, I like it spicy, so I have added chilies and chili powder. So if you want it less spicy, you can reduce the chilies. You can even add your ingredients like cheese, carrot, green peas and all, but I like it this way. And cheese goes very well with this, but I did not add cheese today. And mix all these things with the potato nicely. Salt you add, and then if it's less you add more, because we are adding chaat masala, which is little bit salty. Now we have mixed this nicely and it should form a nice shape. Now you take 2 tablespoon maida and add water and salt in it and make a slurry. It should be a very thin paste, not thick at all. And you can skip this stage if you don't want, but I prefer it because the bread rolls turn out very nice. Now this is the maida slurry, and there should be no lumps. See that all the lumps are gone. Now I've shaped these the potato mixture that we made into these patties. This also step can be missed, and you can just add directly to the bread. Now I have just dipped the bread in water, and I have not taken out the sides. You can take out the sides if you want. I do not. Now place the patty in the middle and start forming a bread roll. You can skip the step of making the patties, because you can just lift some mixture and just place it, but I prefer it this way. So I get equal shape and equal filling everywhere. Now it's ready. Now don't dip it completely into the maida slurry, just roll it lightly. It should be a very light coating. It should not be dipped completely. It should not soak in the maida water. Now just roll this into the breadcrumbs and again press it nicely. See that you press in each stage so that it stays and doesn't open up in the oil. In the same manner, make all of them ready. With this I made nearly 12 bread rolls, and I shaped into round balls also. The one which I am pointing is without bread. It's just maida and breadcrumbs. So even you can make it like that. Now boil the oil and let it be very hot when you are putting in the bread roll. And it fries very fast, like within 15-20 seconds it gets fried into golden brown. And these are all boiled ingredients in it, so you don't need to keep it for a long time. And the crispiness of the onions remains, so it's very tasty and delicious. And you can feel all the ingredients that you can taste all the ingredients that you have put in each bite. Now it's done. Just remove it on a tissue and fry all the bread rolls like this. And your bread rolls are ready. You can serve it with sauce or chutney. Thank you for watching.